In every living organism, there is a process that creates uniqueness, a process that makes you completely different from anyone else. This process is called meiosis. Before division begins, DNA replicates, one chromosome from the mother, one from the father, now duplicated into identical sister chromatids. Prophase I begins. Homologous chromosomes find each other, pairing in a precise alignment called synapsis. Together, they form a tetrad. Then something extraordinary happens. Crossing over, DNA segments exchange between chromosomes. Recombination begins. The nuclear membrane dissolves. Spindle fibers form. Homologous pairs align at the equator in random orientation. Spindle fibers pull the homologous chromosomes apart, but sister chromatids remain together. Two haploid cells form. Each contains half the genetic material, but each chromosome still has two chromatids. Without replicating DNA again, Meiosis II begins. The process resembles mitosis, but the outcome is far more powerful. Now, sister chromatids finally separate, becoming individual chromosomes.
This is why siblings differ. This is why evolution is possible. This is genetic diversity.